this video today I'm going to be replacing the glass on a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let me show you guys that phone. So there it is, the glass is broken. So what we're going to do is first remove the back. Next, remove all the screws. After removing the screw, remove the Wi-Fi or the wireless receiver. Remove the bottom loudspeaker. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect all the connectors. Remove this top antenna up here. And then we have a few more screws that we have to remove. You have to remove this. Let's start off with this one right here, this antenna screw. There's 4 of them. Alright, and then remove the SIM card track. Remove the charging port and the charging port screws. I think there's only 4. Yeah. And out comes the charging port. That's the first part. That's out. There's a speaker. Take out the main board. Camera disconnect. Disconnect the other camera. And now let's try to lift the board out. The board is out. And then we have to take out the 5G antenna. So let's go get the other housing and then we will take out the 5G antenna. Alright, so here we are with our replacement screen. So we're going to go ahead and take out those small parts like the 5G antenna and put it in the new housing. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Okay, so I have taken out the 5G antenna and put it in the new housing. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take out this I want to say the vibrating motor. I'm not sure what this is over here on this side. We're going to go ahead and take it out and put it right there. And if you do have tweezers, they come in handy in situations like this where I can't find any other way to pull this out otherwise from getting underneath it some way somehow and then lifting it out. Okay, let's go ahead and let's remove the actual motor that vibrates. It might even be like another speaker or something like that. I'm not sure. Okay, and we'll put it back on the heater. That way we can remove the battery and we can also remove this front-facing camera. Let's go ahead and let's put the charging port in while we're waiting on battery adhesive to get loosened up a little bit. We'll go ahead and put this in and that will save us on some time. Okay, so now that we've gotten the battery a little bit of heat, let's go ahead and get that battery out and the front camera. And then we'll install back the camera right here, and we'll put just a little bit of glue around it too to kind of hold it in place also. Just not a lot, just a small amount. We'll be fine. Now let's remove the battery while that's kind of drying in place. So let's go ahead and let's put our battery in place. Battery's in. Let's put our board in. Clip these ribbon cables back in place. Okay, and go ahead and I'm gonna install the screws that go right around here first. And now we will connect up our battery. We'll put our connect up our wireless charger, and we'll put the screws back in and we will test it. And now that we have almost all the screws back in, we'll go ahead and we'll test it, make sure that the power is on, and then we'll glue the back on, and that will be it. So put our SIM card back in. Let's go ahead and power it up. And there we go. Samsung logo. And everything looks good to me. Nothing looks out of place. Screws are all back. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.